Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam. This is our evening time, drive time update, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice, just the OG in the house expressing his opinions, guys. And remember, I'm not a licensed financial advisor. I gotta say that. If I don't say it, I'm gonna get in trouble. So, we see it's happening again. We can see we're going to touch this video. We're going to specifically focus on Dogecoin. We're going to see that there's some patterns that are forming and some interesting channel lines and channel patterns that are forming on the TA. That kind of tells me that we could be seeing very soon a huge break to the upside, and this could be coming. It all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin can start breaking to the upside, then we're going to see some major movement in Dogecoin. So if Bitcoin can break this trend line, then we could see it happening absolutely again. And $1 could be back on the table, guys. The way things stand right now, if we continue following this trend line that we're going to jump into, you guys are going to have to watch it. Then it's going to be like 50, 65 cents. But if we can break past this trend line, because we got Bennett in the house, a huge TA, guys. He's saying that we could see a 400% explosion coming on for Dogecoin. And at the current pricing, that puts us around about 80 cents plus. And remember, Dogecoin often outperforms Bitcoin when Bitcoin starts to break out, guys. So we could be seeing Dogecoin. There's still some good possibilities that we could hit $1 when Bitcoin gets up to 98,000. So if that sounds interesting, if that sounds like something you want to watch, let's get into it, guys. And don't forget to go down there and smash the likes. Subscribe in the house. Don't forget to comment, guys. You got to comment as always, because this channel is 100% about honesty. It's about, there's no hyperbole here. We're not shilling anything. God bless everybody, and we're just trying to say it is what it is, and that's what it is in crypto, guys. The pre-markets are absolutely on fire right now, so this could absolutely spell that crypto could be going uppity up. We could be having a huge day, an absolute huge day in crypto. We're seeing Dow futures are up right now almost 1%. We're seeing S&P is up almost 1.24%, and the Nasdaq futures up almost 2%. So I believe that with this, the culmination of crypto going up, we could see a huge explosion coming in very soon, guys. So let's jump into some quick news. We're seeing Bitcoin retail whales accumulate 67K more Bitcoin in the past 3 days, starting during the large dip over the weekend. So as I said, we're seeing the whales. We had Ethereum whales aping into Shiba Inu. They bought like $2.7 million worth of Shiba Inu. We're seeing that Bitcoin whales are gobbling up more Bitcoin. We're seeing that we're seeing Ethereum on exchanges is at a 3-year low, and we're seeing that the hodler behavior is the people hodling like crazy. And it's not only institutions and whales, it's also the retail investors, the Nancy Drews and the Joe Public are also hodling. And this recent artificial cascading liquidation that happened, we saw that a lot of retail holders are still holding pretty strong, guys. So this just goes to tell me that this bull run is going to be extended a little bit. And sure, we had this whole Debbie Downer event, which was the new variant that came out. But you have to understand that the whales who are manipulating and the centralized exchanges who take people's Bitcoin and allow you to trade on leverage, they use that opportunity and the jobless report to push down the cascading event, which caused like almost $3 billion worth of longs liquidated. So we're seeing that the BTC leverage funding rate has been reset. So this is good, and all the greedy longs have been out of there. So that's what we want. And the clear message is here, guys and gals: do not leverage trade. It just makes the market complicated. It makes the market messy. And at the end of the day, you have to understand that, if you're leverage trading, there's a huge amount of manipulation that's out of control. And, the game is stacked against you. Remember, this crypto is a zero-sum game, meaning that the losers transfer their wealth to the winners. And all the paper hands and all the leverage traders that got wrecked, that is a transfer of wealth from them to you. Right? So if you're having diamond hands, it doesn't matter, because if you bought Bitcoin on the spot, doesn't matter. You're still holding the same amount of Bitcoin, but if you're leverage trading, it's bad. Don't leverage trade, guys. Definitely don't do that. So we're seeing that the Biden administration, they're targeting a new anti-corruption strategy. And, they have this whole, cryptocurrency task force. So what they want to do is they want to start to investigate any corruption or any payoffs that are coming in crypto directly aimed at the government. So this is going to be good because it's going to make politicians honest. Gee whiz, that's a bit of an oxymoron out there. Politician, honest. So, anyways, whatever. It is what it is, guys. So I just thought that I'd throw that out there. And so also we're seeing right now, so let's jump into Dogecoin right now. So let me get my face out of there. Get my face over there. So you guys all know that since the whole SNL thing way back in May, Dogecoin has just been going. It's going down, guys. It's just been going down, down. So from if we zoom out on the daily, it's not looking so good. It looks like that Dogecoin is in a huge downward trend. It can't get above the 10, 15, 20, 25, 50-day EMA. It's just a complete disaster in the house, and we're seeing that Dogecoin right now is trading around about almost 18 cents. So that's good from that perspective that we have come back, because we did drop as low as almost 15 cents in the house. So we're coming back from that perspective. But if you look on the 4-hour time frame, you're seeing something a little bit different. So we had this whole the whole descending triangle, and then from here we can see that if we go over to this time frame here, so since about July, you can see that Dogecoin has been trading basically in this trend line, and that trend line is at 30 cents, and then it's got a low of 18 cents, and we have just been range bound between 18 and 30 cents, 18 and 30 cents, and we've just been kind of like, it's been like a zigzag pattern. We've been going let me just change the color here so you can see it. We've been going down in this pattern here. We've been going down, then we kind of cool off. We go up again, we go up, then we kind of go down again. Then we kind of, we have a small rally, we break out to the upside, and then we go up again. Then we get rejected, most often we get rejected at the 30-cent line, and then we go down again. So it's looking, it's looking like we're right here right now. So based on the historical movement of Dogecoin right now, we can expect that Dogecoin is absolutely going to break out from this floor, and at the worst case scenario, we should start to make a move up to 30 cents. Now, if Bitcoin times it correctly, and we see that Dogecoin and Bitcoin, they're highly correlated right now, so we could actually see that we could actually even see another breakout that could take us all the way, that could take us all the way up to $1. So this could absolutely start to come in, and we could start to make some moves. But we really need to break out about this 30 cents. This is a critical resistance level. But if you see the patterns here, we went down, we went back up, we hit 30 cents. We got rejected a whole bunch of times. We went down again, went back up again. We were back up to 30 cents around about November, pretty close around about this area here. Then we got a huge rejection, and then then we should be starting to go back up. So we should start to see Dogecoin start to make some moves from this point, and we should start to make some moves here. And I think that's going to happen. I think this is, we've seen this happen time and time again with Dogecoin, and I think that depending on the timing, if this gets timed correctly with Bitcoin starting to make a huge move to the upside, there's going to be enough momentum behind Dogecoin to take our beloved Dogecoin well up and past this 30-cent line, and that could start us to take us to definitely the $1 territory, or even higher, guys. So you understand what I'm saying, that typically we have these rallies, up and down, but this time if we start to, we're about here, and we could start the upside rally, and if Bitcoin starts to make a move in correlation with Dogecoin in terms of timing, there could be enough momentum behind Bitcoin to bring Dogecoin along with it, like like something floating on a wave, right? And we could see a Dogecoin probably blow past the 30 cents and continue up and ride the coattails of Bitcoin, and that could take us all the way up to like 80, 90 cents and $1. It could happen. So you guys just have to watch these levels, but you can see over time we've seen very much a repetitive pattern. It's starting to happen again. We're now at the bottom point of this cycle, this cycle here. And I believe that here is going to be very important. If Bitcoin chooses this opportunity to break out, Dogecoin will break out with it. And if Dogecoin can pass the 30 cents, which is a critical resistance level, then we could see some major upside for Dogecoin, and we could see ourselves going up to $1. It's possible, guys. So it's not outlandish what I'm saying here. You understand the logic behind the TA here. I think we could see that, guys, absolutely coming in. So let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. So Bitcoin on the weekly chart is looking very positive. We're at 52,565, and we just need to get up to 52,600, 52,500, and then we're going to break up past the 21-day EMA. So that's very bullish. If you look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour, you can see here. Let me get my face out of the way. Let me adjust the chart. We can see that this whole W pattern formed as I drew that earlier, and it looks like we're breaking. We could be pushing ourselves back up the upside, and we could be seeing, around about. So right now we're at 51,069 on the 4-hour. Let's go back and take a look at this. It's also 51,069 on the weekly. So we could definitely be seeing ourselves going up to this 52.2, 52.5 area. I think it's not a problem. And then also too, if you look at Bitcoin has been doing something very similar to what Dogecoin is doing. If you go all the way back to July, remember Dogecoin just went back to July. Bitcoin has this funnel. This is our resistance line. This has been resistance. Overhead resistance. This has been some huge support for Bitcoin, and this is kind of following the logarithmic lines in the sand here. This is our center line, and but Bitcoin has been doing very well. We got rejected here. This is when we hit our all-time highs, and right now, remember, this was a whole artificial candle that went all the way down. This was this cascading liquidation. So I think that we're going to see that Bitcoin is going to get back into this channel, and we should be midway in the channel, and that should take us up according to this chart. If we continue up here, we could see ourselves getting way up, by the end of December. Let's just take a look at that. Let me fix the chart. By the end of December, by the end of the month, we could see ourselves getting up to like $70,000 in the house, definitely. If we take this chart and extend it over here, and we take the bottom and extend it over here, we could be seeing, if we get midway by the end of December, we could be seeing, ourselves definitely at $71,000 for Bitcoin. We could see a high of 79, and we could see a low of 64. So let's see how this trend line continues for Bitcoin. You see a lot of people have been buying in the last 2 days. So since this dip, and I believe that tomorrow we're also going to see a green candle, and that's going to push us very close to getting back in this trend line. And we were in the bottom of that trend line, and then we had all those Debbie Downer things that were happening. So it was looking pretty good. So just keep an eye on that right now. Let's take a look at the total market cap now. So the total market cap is at 2.45 trillion. The volume is looking good. The Bitcoin DOM is at 39.53. Let's take a look at the coins in the house. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is up 5.46%. It's at 51,198 in the house, guys. We're seeing that Ethereum is at 7.66. It's up, guys, so that's pretty good. And it's at 43.78. And, I really believe that, when the market's open in the U.S., we're seeing the broader markets is still looking hugely positive. We're probably going to see at least a $52,000 Bitcoin. We could see Ethereum at 4,500 when I wake up tomorrow. So we're seeing BNB is at 4.61%, so it's looking pretty good. And it's at 5.86. I think we could see BNB at 600 tomorrow when I wake up. Solana is at 9%. It's at $200. It's down slightly from before. ADA is up 10%. It's at $1.45 right now. And XRP is at 620, up 6.24%, and that's up at 84 cents. And DOT is up at 11%. It's it's still way out from its all-time highs. It still needs to get 40 cents in the house. So Luna's doing very well. My Doge in the house is very steady, stable at 18 cents, and that's up 7.63%. And we're seeing Luna's up 12%, it's at $93, and we're seeing that Shiba Inu house is at $8 is up 8.28%, and that's at 38. And we'll look at Matic. Matic is on fire right now. Can you believe it? We're up 21%, guys, and that's at we're up 31%, 31.79% at $2.40, guys. So Matic is on fire. We're seeing the CRO coin is also coming back like crazy, and we're up 21% in the house, guys. So we're seeing that a lot of the old coins are starting to break out, guys. So this is very good in the house. And let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is also doing very good. We've we're well past our 40. We were at $4,300, $4,377, and we need to retest the 4,800. I think we're on the right track. We're probably going to see that absolutely breaking out, guys. So things are looking very bullish in the house. But keep in mind, I think that for Dogecoin, if we see what's happening for Dogecoin, I definitely believe that Dogecoin is definitely going to be breaking out very soon. And I think it's going to time itself with the Bitcoin breakout, and we could definitely see that Dogecoin is going to be going up to the moon very soon, guys. So I'm feeling a little bit more bullish right now. Taking a look at these patterns in the house, it's like a dragon's back, and the we went down, we went up, we went down, we went up, we've gone down. So the next side is we're going to be going up, guys. Absolutely, we're going to be going up. So that's about it for this video, guys. So don't forget to go and follow me on my Twitter. We got 3,381 people following me on Twitter. Yeah, let's get it, guys. And do not forget to go down there, subscribe, YB, and comedy. You're going to love it. I'm going to love it. So, guys and gals, let's get it, guys. Don't waste any time. Don't forget to check out my links below. Buy the channel a coffee. Become a Patreon member. Don't forget to get the merch. Get the Love Mug in the house. We got backpack. We got Pillow Willow Wills. Guys, get on over, gear up with the OG merch. Remember, all the merchandise, all the super chats in the house, all that goes to charity, guys. And don't forget to check out the Wi-Fi Wifey's channel. And there's still a live stream going on, Sounds of the Sea, guys. If you need to relax, you can't sleep, or you just want to put some background music on in your office, wherever you are, get that, and go over there and subscribe, guys. So this is the OG, the Ric Flair of Crypto in the house, saying I love you, guys. I'll see you next one. Woo! Peace out, guys. I'll see you.